Hello, you are welcome. The question on circle geometry here says find angle X below. Now, looking at this shape here, this is the center of the circle and we have this angle 238. So we can find this angle because the whole of this angle here is angle at a point. Sum of angle at a point is 360. So sum of angle at the point is 360. So if the whole sum here is 360 and we know this part as 238, then this remaining side has to be 360 minus 238. And that will give us 122 degrees. So that means this angle here is 122 degrees. Because the whole of this place is sum of angle at a point. So now that we have this, if you look at this shape very well, starting from these 2 points now, using these 2 points as the point of reference, I have 2 lines, this first line and this second line from this point going to the circumference. Don't forget, from this point and from this point, I have this line and then I have this line going to the circumference to make an angle at that circumference. In the same way, starting from these same 2 points, I have this line going to the center and this line also going to the center of the circle to make angle 122 degrees. Hope you are getting it properly. Now this is going to the center, this is going to the center and they form angle 122 degree. And then these two go to the circumference and from here to the circumference to form this angle. Now you agree with me that the theorem says that angle at center is twice angle at the circumference. So if, for example, the angle at the circumference is, let's say, y, for example, if the angle at the circumference is y, for example, then twice the angle at the circumference, which is 2y, is equal to angle at center, which is 122 degrees. So for me to get the value of y, which is angle at the circumference, I simply divide angle at center by 2. So this cancels this, and I have y is equal to 122 divided by 2 will give us 61. So that means this angle at this circumference here is 61 degrees. So 61 degrees. Now that I have this as 61 degrees, then I'll look at this quadrilateral. Don't forget, a quadrilateral is a 4-sided figure. So I have 1, 2, 3, and then line 4. So there are 4 angles inside this quadrilateral. We have 22, we have this 61, we have 238, and we have angle X. And you agree with me that these 4 angles, let's write the sum down. I have 22 plus 61 plus 238, and then plus angle X. All together should give me 360. Sum of angle in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. Don't forget that. Sum of angle in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So the 4 angles now, you can see them, they should give us 360. So, excuse me. So 22 plus 61 plus 238 will give me 321. So 321 plus X, and that will be equal to the 360 that we have there. From there, I can now collect like terms. So this X that is here, let me leave it here, and it's equal to 360. When this positive 321 comes to this side, it becomes negative 321. And then 360 minus 321 will give us angle X as 39 degrees. And that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Share this video and also like and comment on it if you have any question. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.